All right, so what you want to do first is you want to take off this clip. Should come off easy. And this should pull out after you take these washers off. And then after you have that off, you want to take this, shimmy it to the side. This should pull out right here. Gently take off the spring. So that should hang just like that. Next, I'm going to move over to this side. Take this clip off. So once you get that off, you'll actually want to pull this all down and actually make sure that that is up. Then you want to slip this off. So once you get this clip off on this side, what you'll want to do is you want to press down on the whole chair and it should slide off. Once you have that off, make sure to unattach the spring. Make sure to keep the spring safe. Now that it's all disassembled, what you want to do is you want to take your brand new gear that has the 2 holes in it. You want to put it through this hole, just like that. And then you want to attach the spring, and you want to make sure that that hook is in that little hole right there. You want to reach up with the spring and wrap it around this part, just like that. So this piece should be pulled back, just like that. Then you want to take this piece again, and you want to make sure that this lip is flat right here. You want to push it in. Then you want to take your washers again. You want to put them right back on like before. And then take that clip. And it should, there's a groove right in there. And it should just slide right on, just like that. And then after you have this side done, what you want to do is you want to bend the whole chair backward again. You want to slide your new piece on. And then you want to take your spring. There should be another small hole right there. It's a little bit tight, but you want to wrap it around here and wrap it into there. Just like that. And then you want to take your other washer, put that on, and then there's that other clip again. Slide that right into the groove. Should just snap on. And that's how you assemble those 2 pieces. So now that you have those assembled, you want to take this. This is a longer wire. What you want to do is you want to wrap it up around here. Make sure not to wrap it up here, but through here. Push this up, and there should be a groove right there that this hammer falls into. Just like that. And then you want to pull this around, and you want to push this through. Actually, you want to slip that through. just like that. It should nestle in securely. Then you want to move this over, take this hook, and there should be that small hole that you put this hook in. Once that's in, make sure to slide this into the slot. Just like that. It should nestle securely. And then after that, you want to take this. That should nestle in there. And the screw should fit nicely in there. And it should be all assembled.